ideally, I mean, that whole side of the farm is bedding.
Yeah.
And that's how we're setting it up.
Yeah.
We're going to have that kill plot in
Back
that
there.
little one up there,
Yeah.
which is going to be phenomenal.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I'm going to split this between, I'm thinking run and switch up along this edge, 20 feet, 15 feet, and then clover.
Down the middle of it?
All the way down the middle.
All right, so we're on a client's farm today. We walked this farm about 3 days ago. We're gonna go in, put a quarter-acre clover plot in. It's gonna be pretty much a staging plot. Get it prepped, ready to frost seed, along with a strip of about a 10-foot buffer of switchgrass around it. So it should be a really good staging plot between the bedding and the main food sources up on top. What do you think? Yay, nay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I was sitting back here thinking, and yeah, I'm just going to create a pinch back in there, and I'm just going to drop some trees, create a nice pinch in here.
I think there's going to be a real good funnel edge right here.
Right.
With this.
What's going to hold better, clover or switch? If I were to choose one of them, just
I would do switch.
Okay.
A little bit bigger seed.
Okay.
It needs to get in to stratify.
Yeah.
But the big thing is going to be rain.
Yeah.
That's going to be the huge thing with this slope that it's got on it. The switchgrass needs to be in.
Yeah, and I'm not putting.
But
I mean, I think I got 2 acres worth, and I'm not putting in 2 acres. I mean, I'm doubling.
Yeah.
What I'm putting down on everything anyway.
I think it's going to turn out really good. Got to sharpen the blades, I'm sure. But there's a bunch. It's hard to see right now, so dang dark. But yeah, I know some places it's not like that, but.